Good morning, first graders. I'm going to talk to you about long I again. This time I have a little word sort in front of us. So what I want you to look at is the IGH, the IE, and the Y. They all say I, and they have some examples down below for us to look at. So you're pretty good at word sorts. I'm going to do this word sort a little differently because I can't cut my computer. That'd be crazy. So instead I'm going to use a drawing tool. And I'm just going to draw a line. Some of you have done that for me before, and it works really slick. So I have 3 categories, and I'll have 3 types of words below. Let's start with the first one. I see the Y at the end, so I know that says I. Let's sound it out. Sk. I. Say it fast. Sky. Let's draw a line to the Y, right? There we go. Now I have, I see the IGH in the middle. Not going to scare me. It says I, so I sound it out. F. I. T. That goes up here to the IGH. Oh, I see IGH again. Night. That one goes with the other one over here. And then I have an IE. Pie. I saw the long I. He goes right there in the middle. We're done with the first row already. Let's look at the second row. Lie. That has an IE. Goes in the middle. Buy. Just a Y over to the end. Fly. Just a Y over to the end. Oop, there's the IGH again. Tight. That's an impressive word, don't you think? Tight. My shoes are getting too tight. Next we have sly with a Y. Put it in the Y. Tie with an IE. Can you tie your shoes yet? I'm hoping so. Goes in the middle. Light with an IGH. Notice that fight, night, tight, light, they're all a word family. Isn't that amazing? Like if you can write the IGH in the middle and just change the first and change the last letter, you've got these words and they rhyme. And the last word is right. Ah, another rhyming word. Just like sky rhymes with fly and buy and sly. Now I challenge you to go ahead and take these words and write them in some columns. Practice on your whiteboard. You don't need a physical paper. You could totally do this on your whiteboard. And I would get to see it then. You could take a picture of it and show me. That's what I'd love you to do. Go ahead, get your whiteboard out, bring it right to you, get your marker, and write the words to practice. And then maybe you could think of more to add to it. I'm thinking right now in my brain, shy has a long Y. Shy, S-H-Y, that would go in this third column. And then I started thinking we have tie and lie and pie, those long I again, that could go in the middle. And then that would be fun to add extra words to it. And that's your challenge today.